back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
That's Jack Regier out of Newburgh, Maryland. And right behind him in that 519 machine, Will Mayhew out of Hollywood. The 56 being powered by Ed Pope Sr. out of Hanover, Maryland. And car number 23 also out there. That's Josh Blocker out of La Plata. This will be group number 1 of 2 and 5 lap. Hot lap qualifying sessions tonight. So far this year with his victory 2 weekends ago, Nabil Guffey, the number 1 man in points by 15 over the 96. Mason Foster, first-year driver. First-year driver Will Mayhew, also third in points, followed by the 55 of Sean Houser, and the 14 of John Hardesty Jr., who was the opening night winner. Hardesty had some mechanical issues and eventually had some issues off at turn number 4, which had to put him in the infield area for the night. So Hardesty looking to see if he can get back on the rebound. He'll be in group number 2 of our hot lap qualifying session here tonight. Again, Hobby Stocks will be next up for their heat races, to be followed by the UCAR hot lap qualifying, and then heat events for the crate late models and streets. And after that, featured activity coming up for the Strictly Stocks. So just a little bit of track roll-in by the Strictly's here in group number 1 after the crate late models wrapped up their 2-lap qualifying session for those 30 cars. Trying to get everything dialed in. As soon as that's set, we get the green light. We will be underway to see who will be on the pole position here in tonight's first of 2 15-lap main events of the A.J. Fenwick Septic Service sponsored division. Well, if you didn't know any better, you'd think it's a race out there right now. This is Hot Lap qualifying as they get set to wrap up group number 1 of 2. So far, the 88 of Catfish Mattingly, our defending champion, tops on the board. 20 of Jack Regier will be number 2, followed by the 23, Josh Blocker. Then the 51 machine. All right, green is out in group number 2 as everybody chasing Greg Mattingly in the 88 machine, Jack Regier in the 20, and Josh Blocker in the 23. 90 Nabil Guffey, your most recent winner, making his way off through 3, making 1 and 2. Former champion back in 2024. 7 of Daniel Canoto, the 96 of Mason Foster, a rookie. Steven Suit, as we mentioned, running Thunder Roasters and U-Cars, and right now doing some strictly stock racing this year in that white 810 machine in his debut out there tonight. '27 Hardesty laying down the bug spray right now, trying to kill any mosquitoes we have out there, is keeping up the speed right now. Mattingly still tops on the board. 14 of Kelly Krause in this group. Right now fastest, number 2 overall. The 90 of Nabil Guffey, currently 3rd. And then the number 7 of Canoto and the 96 of Foster. So some heavy hitters in this second group of Hot Lap qualifying tonight. Checkered out as we wrap up our Hot Lap qualifying to the A.J. Fenwick Septic Service Strictly Stocks. Defending champ Greg Mattingly in the 88. Going to hold the top shelf spot. 14 of Kelly Krause, fastest of this group, will be number 2 overall. The 90 of Nabil Guffey, the most recent winner, will be 3rd. 7 of Daniel Canoto, and the 27 rookie in that class, that's John Hardesty Sr., not a rookie there. I was thinking of Brandon Crenshaw, but Brandon actually is running in hobbies, which are going to be coming up here in a few moments. Well, the Great Mills Trading Post U-Cars have had some excitement this year with a couple of different faces in victory lane. The 99 of Brody Guy took the opener. Driver out of Quasco, Maryland, back with us tonight. And the 54, and only his second career race in a car, Adam Suda out of Fort Belvoir, Virginia. He took the victory 2 weekends ago. Very impressive run for both of those drivers. And the U-Cars, again, always putting on a great show. Again, Hot Lap qualifying for these drivers. We'll have a pair of 5-lap runs to set the stage for their 15-lap feature event coming up a little bit later on this evening. Well, we mentioned the two winners, Thomas Windsor in the 89. Another driver still hungry for that first victory. He is currently the leader by 5 points over Suda in the battle for the championship. It's a tight one, 335 to 330 to 321. Brody Guy currently in third, Nick Weber in fourth, and the Trip 7, Keith Brown, top 5 in our Great Mills Trading Post UCAR points. That's a 99 of Guy off of turn number 2. Leading us right now, 89 of Thomas Windsor. Is also out there, I believe that's a 69 of Ben Perner right behind him. 23 of Travis Dye, one-time feature winner from a season ago. Also the 7 off of turn number 2, that's Nicholas Weber. And the Trip 7 being powered by Keith Brown. All drivers very capable of being the newest winner in UCAR competition. They are all really tightly bunched together when it comes to some competition out there. Always putting on a great show. And again, their 15-lapper tonight. They will not be here tomorrow. The J&R Towing Thunder Roadsters will take their place in the racing order for their first appearance of 2026 tomorrow night. All right, green is out. Again, 5 laps a session. The first of 2 for the Great Mills Trading Post UCAR division. Coming up next, we have 4 of our American All-Star, Save-A-Lot American All-Star, crate late model heat races. Top 5 drivers going to transfer. That will lock in 20 in those 4 qualifying events. There will be a B main coming up. And after the crate late model heats, the street stocks will be in action for a pair of 8-lap qualifiers, which will set the field for their race feature event tomorrow night. The B main, or I should say the Strictly stock feature, will be the first feature of the night coming up after heat race action's over. After the Strictlys, the B main for the American All-Star drivers. And then our UCAR feature, followed by the crates. So far, it's going to be the Trip 7, Keith Brown, tops on the board. 99 to Brody Guy, 23 Travis Dye, 7 to Nick Weber, 69 to Ben Perner. They are the early top 5 in hot lap qualifying. All right, checkered coming down to group number 1, 99 to Brody Guy. Right now up top, Trip 7 to Keith Brown in second. The 7 to Nick Weber, 23 to Travis Dye, and the 69 of Ben Perner will be your top 5. And in the interest of saving a little bit of time, we realize we also have a concert we're trying to do this evening. We will save all of our Victory Lane interviews till the very end. So after the crates are done tonight, we'll interview the crate winner as well as our UCAR and Strictly stock winners tonight as well. So try to speed up that little bit of the process. Not taking anything away from anybody, but just go ahead and make sure we keep running our program on par and get everything kind of snuck in there as best we can. So Brody Guy, the man to beat, but here comes the 54 of Adam Suda, quickly number 4 on the board there on lap number 1 of this last 5-lap qualifier. 89 to Thomas Windsor, your point leader, also having a good run. He's up into fourth as Suda puts the 54 in the second spot. So your 2 winners so far. Tops on the board. And Great Mills Trading Post, hot lap qualifying as they are looking to see if they can break the tie, but at least get up on the front row and battle it out here tonight. A lot of good drivers right behind them. Trip 7 of Keith Brown, 89, the point leader Thomas Windsor, and the 222 of Serenity Schwartz. Right now, the top 5. White flag in the air, and Suda in the 54 taking over the top time here in hot lap qualifying. The checkered coming out for our final group of Great Mills Trading Post U cars. 54 of Adam Suda, the rookie driver and one-time winner. Coming away the top time tonight, the 99 opening night winner, Brody Guy in second. The 89, your points leader, Thomas Windsor in third. Trip 7 of Keith Brown and the 3 deuces of Serenity Schwartz. They will be the top 5 in tonight's action. Their 15-lapper will be coming up in just a little bit as we shift gears from the U cars to the Save Lot Couch and Food Group American All-Star Crate Late Model Qualifying. Continuing on, 4 heat races coming up. And it will be 8 laps in distance, top 5 to transfer in each one.